say hi to Sniffs. Yeah, this is Sniff's first feeding opportunity since he shed out. So I'm sure he will greet this rodent, which he hasn't had for a while, with some zest and spunk. Right, bud? Yeah, okay, it's your turn. He's been watching everybody else feed for the longest time. Now it's his turn. Now Sniff has been having some trouble with the larger rats that I've procured. So we're going with a little bit smaller. And since it's a smaller meal, I will I'll probably reduce his feeding schedule just a little bit, so he feeds a little bit more often. You see this, Mr. Sniffs, huh? Okay, you're not in sniff mode right now, are you? Because if you shake your head, you're going to give it away, and the rodent, whoa! Whoa! Sniffs! That's a very rare long shot for Sniffs. This is what I tell you, everybody, every single time. You know, I may have a feel for what these guys are up to, but they're 100% unpredictable. Sniffs almost never, ever goes all out like that. But like I was saying, he's rather hungry, just shed out, and ready to enjoy his rat meal. Very surprising. That's why I use 2-foot forceps when feeding these big dudes, because you never know what they're up to. Whoa, look at that nice fang there, Sniffs. Whoa, I wouldn't want any of those used on me. Look at the size of those mothers. You know, I generally give Sniffs a lot of space when he's doing his eating thing. Oh boy, look at Sniffs go. Whoa, good job, Mr. Sniffs. Wow, they're a good half-inch, 5/8 fangs. That's for certain. Oop, Gabby's done. Gabby is in the time to open the mouth and stretch the fangs out. Boy, Mr. Sniffs, those are some serious fangs you got there. I'm certainly glad I wasn't on the end of tonight. Oh, is that tasty? Look, I'll tell you, I know Mr. Sniffs, and he is really relishing this rodent, because he's had trouble with big rodents before, so I've been giving him smaller stuff. So he is just a happy camper sucking this down. Oh boy. Is that good there, Sniffs? Mr. Sniffs is primed for action. Hi, Gabs. Gabs is all done, and she's doing her fang stretching thing, and Sniffs is done. Let's see if we can actually catch a rare yawning action from the Sniffs. Oh, is that good, huh? Oh, that was yummy, huh? I'm trying not to, you know, make Sniffs uneasy, because he gets really weirded out very easy, especially when he's got food in his mouth. Oh, you like that, huh? Oh, now we're back to the sniffling part. Was that good, huh? Yeah. Way to go, guy. Oh, tasty. Now, Mr. Sniffs is always kept at room temperature. He's at 72 degrees and seems to prefer that. When I had heat in the cage, he never ever went near it, even in the winter months. You want another one, don't you? I can tell. Well, we've got other... Oh, that was a good yawn there, Gabby. Oh, we missed that one. But, you know, we don't often watch Mr. Sniffs eat all the way down the rat, so to speak. Oh, almost a yawn there, Sniffs. Come on, you can do it, bud. You can do it. Gab's pupils are still dilated, and she's still playing with her fangs, trying to get them back. And right now, since Mr. Sniffs is a bit active, you know, with this food, I will absolutely shut the window when he's in feed mode, because, you know, I normally leave that open and I normally don't think too much about it. It does cross my mind as I move past it to keep as much distance between me and Sniff's cage as possible, but when he's like this and, you know, he actually came out to feed, that means that he's really hungry and wound up. Aren't you, bud? Yeah. You want another or save some room for dessert? Huh? Yeah, you bet, bud. Well, he's really wanting more food. Alright, I'll relent. Sniffs, you want another one? Let's see if we got a small one. Can always thaw one out for somebody else later. Okay, this is a little one, Sniffs. Good going, Mr. Sniffs. There, you happy now, bud? Huh? Look at that. What's your problem, Gabby? Huh? Did you get a piece of bedding in your mouth? And no, I'm not going in there for it, thank you. Okay, well, let's let Sniffs do his thing We've got some other folks that are on the feed list. As a matter of fact, 35 animals are due as of today. So I'm going to be getting lots of video in the next 48 hours or so. So let Sniff enjoy his second one, and let's try that evil Darth Vader creature who just shed. Enjoy, Sniffs.